Akash is the owner of a big industrial unit. He has a big factory. But since the past 2 years, his business has not been able to grow. Harshit is the owner of a medium-sized business unit and he is also very successful. Harshit has invited Akash to the opening ceremony of his new unit. Harshit is on his way to opening 2 new industrial units at the same time. Harshit and Akash meet at the opening of this new industrial unit.
Hey, a big welcome to you, Akash.
Hearty congratulations to you, Harshit. You have come a long way from starting one small industrial unit to opening 2 very big industrial units today. You have certainly made a great progress. I have come to convey lots of best wishes to you.
But tell me, what has happened to you, Akash? Why are you looking so desperate and worried?
Oh Harshit, please do not ask. It is a sad story. You know, since the last 2 years, this pandemic and depression has completely destroyed my business. In spite of owning such a big industrial unit, I am completely unable to expand my business. Neither am I able to find good buyers for my products, nor any good or inexpensive suppliers for material.
Oh, just this matter. Akash, there is no need for you to worry. Would you like to know how I was able to expand my business to every nook and corner of India? And how I even found the best quality raw materials? How I earned so much profit from this small-sized industrial unit? And how I am going ahead to install 2 big industrial units also?
Yes, please Harshit. I need a better business companion and a guide who will be able to help turn the tide of my business.
Why don't you install the GetUp app right away? GetUp is India's first B2B platform, which provides the best profitable buyers and best deals to your business with the help of its qualified staff and intelligent system. GetUp helps all buyers in the world to come together on a single platform. At the same time, any seller gets unlimited profits in the first 3 months of joining the platform. There is no charge, and the seller can take his business to new heights.
Oh, marvelous! This means that you have the freedom from payment for large service packages. And that too, GetUp will provide direct contacts with all the buyers and merchants from India and worldwide free of cost.
Yes, during this difficult period that the pandemic has caused, there is no need to transport our products to far-flung markets. Surely, GetUp connects all merchants, wholesalers, retailers and small shopkeepers on a single platform and provides a golden opportunity to one and all to connect with their business. Now you got it?
Okay, so I will download the GetUp app right away and will launch all my products on the GetUp app from today itself. So, you all too, install the GetUp app right away and obtain unlimited buying and selling leads for free.